Hello children, so I hope you all have completed exercise 1.1. Now we will go for next exercise. Before that we have to learn about international system of numbers. Okay. So in the previous exercise what I told about Indian system of numbers which we are following. Now there is international system also. In that slight difference is there between Indian system and international system. So today we will see that. Okay. So in Indian system how are you going to read the numbers? Read with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now in international system how are you going to read that number? So here read with me ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here comes 100,000s. Okay. So in Indian system we are calling lakhs. In international system we will call them as 100,000s. Okay. Now next is million. In place of 10 lakhs, international system we call it million. Next 10 millions. 100 millions. Understood? So up to 10,000 same, you are following the same system as it in Indian system, but after 10,000 in international system it changes. How it changes? In place of lakhs 100,000, in place of 10 lakhs millions, in place of crore 10 millions, and in place of 10 crores 100 millions. Next comes billions. Okay. So now I am taking one example. Okay. Suppose I am taking this example. Here. What is this? What I had given you? Here in ones place it is 1, tens place 9, hundreds place 8, thousands place 7, 10,000s place 6, 100,000s place 2, millions place 3, 10 millions 1, 100 millions 5. So in international system how are you going to read that number? Read with me. First you hear what I am saying. 513,267,891. I am once again repeating. 513,267,891. Understood? So how are you going to read in international system is in this way. Read once again. 513,267,891. Understood? So in this way you have to read in international system. Now how to put commas? How are you going to put commas? So here just I am taking one example. Suppose here. So up to 100 millions of numbers, here we will have 9 digits. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits? 9 digits you will have. So here how to separate? I told about in Indian system that periods. In the same way here, this will be one period. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is called as ones period. Okay. Here 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This will be thousands period. And next is million, 10 millions, 100 millions. This will be millions period. Okay. So in this way you have to separate using commas. First period will be ones, tens, hundreds. Next will be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next will be million, 10 million, 100 millions. So in this way you have to put commas. Now next how to compare numbers. Suppose in the same way you have to compare as you are comparing in Indian system. The same, if two numbers are given you have to just check both sides how many digits are there. Now how to write in words? Okay. how to write the given number in words. Suppose this example only we are taking. What I had given? 516,326,189. Okay. So how are you going to write? 516 millions. Next is 326,000s. 326,000 189 189. Okay, so in this way you have to write in words. Okay, means how to write the number name of the given number in this way. 516 millions 326,189. So children, you came to know now how to read and write in international system. Now we will go for exercise 1.3, which is in page number 13, sorry 1.2. Okay. So here their question number 2, bit number 2 is write the given numbers in words. Okay. In international system you have to write them. So first example I have taken here. What is this? You have to first of all read it in international system. How are you going to read in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions. So what will be the number? 30,807,541. Okay. So write here 30 millions. 30 millions 541. Okay. So how to write in international system the given number in words? So how are you going to write? 30 millions 807,541. Okay. Now next question. Next question, see here. Check the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, so what is the number? Read it. 231,489. So write with me. 489. Okay. So how to write in the given number in the words? 231,489. Now next question is write in figures. Okay, the given number you have to write in figures, means it is given in the words. You have to write it in figures using commas. Okay. So first question, read it. What is it? 64,219,060. So how to write 64 millions, comma 64 millions 219,000, comma and 60, hundreds place nothing is there, so you have to write there 0, 60. So this is the number in figures. So what is this? 64,219,060. Okay. Now next is 384,034,062. So write here 384 million means 384 comma 34,000 means what is there in hundreds place? Nothing is there. So you have to write there 0, 3, 4, 34,000 and 62 again hundreds place 0, 62. Understood? So read the number 384 millions 34,062. Okay. So in this way you have to write both in words and figures. Now children, exercise 1.2 you have to solve the problems. Okay. Again I will see if any problem is there, you can ask me. Okay children. Thank you.